Hello everyone! Yes, this time Wonderbox wants to ask you to play along with us how to play maracas that we've been made. Yes, we have decorated already, we assembled already. So now we have to play it. And how do you play it? Let's look at the first figure. First picture. There are 4 notes. We call it ta, 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 ta. It means shape, 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 shape. And we will do it many times. Okay, now let's go to the second figure, second picture. Now we have many notes. This one, we call it titi. It means you have to play it faster. This one also titi. This one also titi. And the last one is ta, single. Let's play from here. Ti 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 ta.
Next, ti 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 ta. Ti 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 ta. Ti 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 ta.
Ternyata follow Valawina Lihat jual sami tile Oh my Uwa ele lui tawele Ta pena pena Polo polo mana Awe awe Taku imua Te manu lele tataki
At night we name every star, we know where we are.